Amy, can I just start by saying you look absolutely stunning.
Thank you very much. You're very nice.
You must be delighted with your nomination.
Yeah. I was. It was a really lovely surprise. You know, rewind. We filmed it 2 years ago at this stage. Shot it in 17 days on the tiniest budget imaginable. So for it to get a kind of life at the IFTAs and to get recognition like this is just so nice.
And haven't IFTA done a fantastic job in fairness?
But they pull it out of the bag every year, you know.
Well, listen, enjoy tonight.
Thank you.
Good luck tonight.
Thanks.
Pierce, first of all, congratulations on your nomination.
Thank you so much. Thank you. I'm very honoured to be here tonight. It's always great to come back to Ireland, but especially on a night like this, celebrating movies.
And what are you doing at the moment, Pierce?
I just finished a movie last night in New York with Sarah Jessica Parker called How Does She Do It? It's from a book of the same title, which is a delightful romantic comedy.
What did the IFTAs mean to you, Pierce?
The IFTA means a celebration of our artistic community here in Ireland, of men and women who make films and tell stories. It's a celebration of our artistic community here in the film world and the world of TV, and it's something which I'm deeply proud of. I've made a number of films here. Ireland was definitely a stepping stone for me as a young actor when I came here and I did The Manions of America, and it's, you know, part of my own heritage and lineage, really. Even though I went off and trained in London, it's really Ireland that gave me my break to America.
Well, listen, you enjoy the night, and congratulations, and best of luck.
Cheers, thanks mate.
Thanks again.
All the best,
Thanks,
cheers.
Saoirse, welcome to the IFTAs.
Thank you.
You're going to enjoy the night.
I am. Yeah, I'm sure it'll be great. Everyone's here and we're gonna have a bit of fun. So yeah.
And congratulations on the nomination.
Thank you.
I have your speech ready, I hope.
I really don't know what I'm gonna say. I'll probably just thank everyone that was involved in the film, but I never know what to say when I get up on stage.
You look fantastic. Where is the dress from?
Thank you. It's from John Rocha.
Fantastic. Well,
Yeah.
conscious of your time, Saoirse, enjoy the night, and
Thank you.
I hope you do really well tonight, okay?
Thank you very much.
Brendan, welcome to the IFTAs.
Yeah, thanks very much. Good to be here.
You must be so excited. The family are all here. Three nominations today.
Yeah, no, it was fantastic, and even getting the nomination for the short, where the three of us were involved, was pretty cool. On top of that, yeah, no, it's all good. Donald can't be here, unfortunately. He's away in Berlin, but Brian is here, so yeah, it's great. Very proud of them.
Welcome to the IFTAs. You must be so excited about being nominated. Congratulations.
It's very nice, yeah. Part was a labour of love for a lot of people, and it was a tough. We shot in January, snowstorms and all that last year, so it was a very tough movie to shoot. And it's nice that it's great that it's recognised. And
what do the IFTAs mean to you, Colm?
well, it's like when you make a film like Parks, which is nominated tonight. It's tough, you know. It's tough work, and the crews do amazing. You know, Irish crews work really hard, and so a night like this is a night where people can actually have a bit of fun and relax, and you know, put on the glad rags and you know, enjoy themselves, and they deserve it because they work really in tough conditions all year, you know.
And how is Harry Potter doing for you? It's on the last sequel coming up now, isn't it?
Yeah, the next one is coming out in July 19th, and we have the DVD launch for the one that came out in November, Deadly Hallows Part 1, in April. So yeah, I'm looking forward to both those events.